Hola, Mr. Moreno.
Hola,
Buenas tardes.
buenas tardes.
Ok, ¿en español?
Sí, por favor, si se puede.
Ok.
Gracias.
Ujú.
Señor Moreno, ¿me puede oír?
Sí, señor. Buenas tardes.
Buenas tardes, mi nombre es Mario Treviño y yo soy el juez de la corte aquí, de la ciudad de Balcones Heights. Y
Sí, señor.
aquí los documentos enseñan que le dieron 4 infracciones. Dos son de marzo 13 de este año y 2 son de septiembre 11 de este año. ¿Ese es usted?
Sí, señor.
Ok. Bueno, pues estas causas se consideran criminal, así es que si usted se quiere declarar no culpable, lo que pueda hacer es lo puedo mandar que hable con el fiscal y a ver si pueden llegar a un acuerdo. Sí, y también llega a revisar toda la evidencia que tiene el fiscal en su posesión sobre estas 4 infracciones. Si usted se declara que no se opone a la acusación o culpable, primero le pregunto si tiene usted licencia de manejar.
Sí, tengo licencia de manejar. Mi licencia es de el estado de Coahuila, en México. Y en un oficial la primera vez tomó en cuenta y el otro oficial sí me la tomó en cuenta.
Pues, ¿qué tanto tiempo tiene usted aquí en los Estados Unidos?
Mire, yo anteriormente tenía una visa de trabajo anteriormente, la cual me permitía estar aquí, pero hoy en día solamente voy y vengo, no duro más de 30 días en el país y regreso a México y después vengo para acá y tengo asuntos que tratar aquí y tratar asuntos en México. Entonces,
¿Cuándo llegó usted aquí?
por primera vez,
No, la última vez.
la última vez,
Sí, esta vez. Ajá.
esta última vez yo vine en septiembre, como el 8 más o menos, entré nuevamente.
¿Y en marzo?
En marzo también, de la misma manera, había entrado yo precisamente como el 5 de marzo, yo había entrado aquí a Estados Unidos y voy y vengo, no duro ni 20, 30 días actualmente. Eso es lo que yo hice los cursos, los cursos para tratar de sacar una licencia de Texas, pero por mi estadía no me permitieron, no me otorgaron nada más una ID de Texas en aquel tiempo, pero ya se venció el ID y ya no pude renovarla.
And he's charged with convert driver's license or ID?
Convert driver's license, Judge.
Okay. Well, I think that's the wrong offense. I think, okay. Y no puede renovar su ID, porque esa es infracción también, ¿no?
No, el ID no la puedo renovar porque mi permiso de trabajo se venció. Entonces mi estatus de migración no me permitía que estuviera como activo hasta el día 27 de mayo del presente año. ¿Le puedo mostrar el ID si gusta?
No, porque está vencido, no nos ayuda en nada. Pues vamos a ver, tenemos aquí un que iba manejando muy rápido, que no tenía aseguranza y pues 2 que iba manejando muy rápido.
Sí.
¿Tiene usted aseguranza?
Sí, señor.
Desde aquí de los Estados Unidos, ¿dónde la compró?
Aquí, yo tengo un contador aquí en San Antonio y él es el que se encarga de las pólizas de los seguros de los carros. Y él me dijo que yo pensaba que la tenía con Progressive porque era lo que habíamos manejado siempre, pero él cambió de aseguranza y aquí tengo la prueba.
Ok,
Eh,
y estaba en efecto el 11 de septiembre.
Sí, el efecto de esa estaba desde el 8 del mes de agosto, el 13 de agosto, hasta efecto, am, pues hasta el 13 y acá tengo otra que donde se renovó del día 11 y expira el 10 perdón, el 11 de octubre. Tengo las
Ok.
dos.
Es que tiene dos pruebas de aseguranza, pero lo cubren a usted el 11 de septiembre.
Sí, señor.
Ok. ¿Nos pueden mandar una copia, por favor?
Claro que sí. Al correo que usted me diga, yo con mucho gusto lo hago.
Court PH.
TX.gov.
Es corte C. Vamos a ver. Aquí lo tengo. Put it somewhere. Bueno, mándelo la copia a Court. ¿Habla un poco de inglés o no?
Sí, un poquito, sí.
Mándelo a Court, que es COURT
Ajá.
BHTX
HTX. Ajá.
.gov. Después
Ok.
GOV, como en Victor.
Sí, señor.
.gov. Mándenlo una copia y si todo está bien, le retiramos los cargos. Serán despedidos
Sí, señor.
por la no aseguranza. Y ahora vamos a hablar sobre los speeding tickets que tiene.
Sí, señor.
Tiene dos. Si se declara no culpable, como le digo, lo mando que hable con el fiscal. Si se declara que no se opone a la acusación, lo puedo poner en libertad condicional, como nosotros, no sé si usted sabe lo que es eso, es una aprobación donde acepto su declaración que no se opone, pero no lo hallo culpable. Lo pongo en probation.
Sí,
Y
señor.
si paga su multa y no le dan otro ticket, otra infracción durante el tiempo que está en probación, le retiramos los cargos.
Sí, señor.
Así es que, ¿qué es lo que quiere hacer usted?
No, yo, pues pagar el ticket que esté en probation y que se quite eso del récord.
Ok. Bueno, el primero, el de marzo, le sale 222. El de septiembre son 247. Le puedo dar 60 o 90 días que lo pague si necesita. Y si lo pagan, entonces, y no le dan otra infracción, el fiscal le va a retirar la acusación que no tenía licencia.
Sí, señor.
Okay. ¿Qué tanto tiempo va a necesitar usted para pagar?
Yo no necesito tiempo, yo lo puedo pagar.
Okay.
30 días
Entonces,
y tienen que ponerle 10 días, lo que sea.
va a ser 30
Ahorita.
días. El mínimo es 30 días de probación.
Okay.
Y ahora, bueno, y ahora es necesario, tengo que pasar con la señorita, el empleado de la corte, para que le dé más detalle.
Sí, señor. Está
Bueno,
bien.
que le vaya bien. Bye bye.
Gracias, señor juez.
Ok, Mr. Moreno. So, ¿puede venir a la oficina para agarrar los documentos o prefiere que se los mandemos por correo electrónico?
No sé si usted, yo había hablado con usted y me había mandado los documentos.
Sí,
Sí.
señor, se me hace que sí.
Bueno,
Sí,
sí, porque
para que se pusiera en Zoom. Entonces yo tengo su dirección electrónica, sí se la tengo. ¿Quiere que
sí,
le mande todo por allí? ¿Sí, sí tiene acceso a un printer para que lo imprime todo?
sí lo tengo.
Ok, entonces lo que voy a hacer es que le voy a mandar todo por correo electrónico más tarde, cuando salga de aquí y luego si me lo puede firmar y regresar para atrás o si quiere venir en persona para pagarlo, lo puede hacer así. También puede pagar por internet, le mando yo toda la información así. ¿Ok?
Me parece bien. Está
Ándele
bien.
pues. Entonces tengan muy buen día y ya esto es todo por hoy.
Muy amable. Muchas gracias.
A usted.
Hasta luego.
Hasta luego. Hello.
Hello,
Your name?
Jesse Medina.
Matthew Medina?
Jesse Matthew Medina, yes.
Okay, give me 1 second, sir. Let me pull up your case, okay?
Thank you.
Mhm.
Is that him? All right, let me unmute myself. Okay. Mr. Medina, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
My name is Mario Trevino, and I'm the municipal court judge for the city of Balcones Heights. And on our docket, it indicates that you were issued a ticket for expired registration back in February. Is that correct?
Correct.
All right. And have you had an opportunity to to renew the registration in your vehicle?
So what we did was we ended up trading the car in because it was just going to cost too much money. It's actually my wife's car, and before I met her, she got into an accident, and she unfortunately had a friend that said they could fix the car for cheap, and they completely just messed up the whole wiring in the front. And ultimately, we just ended up trading the car in for a brand new car because it was just going to cost too much money.
All right. Well, what I can do for you is I can reduce your fine down to $125 on a plea of no contest, and I can ask you, how much time do you need to pay that?
I would say at least 60 days because
All right.
unfortunately we have
so
a baby.
$50 to that amount if you haven't paid it in 30. Okay.
And how would that work? Do I just make payments? Do I pay in full in 60 days? Or
Well, you asked for 60 days. I gave you a full 60 days in which to bring in $125 plus $15 in administrative fees if you take more than 30 days.
Okay.
All right. So then I accept your plea of no contest, and that's what it'll be. And I will now refer you to the clerk of the court for more further instruction. Okay.
Okay.
Take care.
Thank you.
Okay, Mr. Medina, I'm going to go ahead and update your information on your case. I'm going to update that, and I'm going to have you speak to Ms. Baez in regards to it.
Okay.
Okay, give me 1 second. Sorry. I was like, ay, se me hizo muy grande aquí. Hello? Phone number ending 637?
Hello,
Hello, your name, sir?
William Mayfield.
Mayfield?
Yes, ma'am.
Give me 1 second, Mr. Mayfield.
Yes, ma'am.
Mr. Mayfield, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
My name is Mario Trevino, and I am the municipal court judge for the city of Balcones Heights.
Yes, sir.
Records indicate that you have only one citation pending, which is cutting through, let me see, I guess it's cutting through private property. This is considered a fine-only offense, but it is a criminal in nature. And because of that, you have very important rights. The most important right you have is to review the evidence and to enter a plea of not guilty. If you feel you're not guilty or just want to review the evidence, please let me know, and I will refer you over to the prosecutor. If you feel you're guilty or want to enter a plea of no contest, there is no difference in this court, and if you waive a jury, I will then proceed to explain your options, which are driving safety course and deferred disposition probation. What have you given much thought as to how you'd like to proceed, or what's in your best interest?
Well, Your Honor, the property in question that I allegedly cut through was the McDonald's parking lot, and I was going in there. I was going to order some food, and I had a split-second change of mind and remembered I didn't have any more money left. So I continued to go, and that's how I was told I was cutting through private property.
All right, Mr. Mayfield, I will accept that as a plea of not guilty and request to confer with the prosecutor. So let me turn you over to the clerk of the court for further instruction. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Mhm. Okay. Mr. Mayfield?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and transfer you to Ms. Baez, and she's gonna get a phone number from you so that the prosecutor is able to give you a call back. And then that way he can, it will be today, but it probably be, he's just running a little bit late, but he will be able to call you right back. But I cannot get your phone number here because this is being recorded. So I will have Ms. Baez get that information from you, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you very much.
Could you tell me which phone number I should be looking out for on my phone when the prosecutor calls?
In all honesty, I'm not sure which phone he is going to be calling you from. Sometimes it will be an unknown number, or he calls from his personal phone, so I can't tell you which one it's going to be, unfortunately. If you'd like, I can have him call you at a specific time, about 2:30.
2:30?
Yes,
yeah,
sir?
that'd be great, because I'm at work at the shop, and I try not to hold my phone on me too much because it'll get real dirty from my hands. So,
okay, sir. So let me go ahead and have you speak to Ms. Baez and go ahead and give her a good phone number that the prosecutor is able to call you back at, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
No problem. Being sensitive, Judge. No. Yes, sir. Hello.
Sir, sorry, I'm having some technical
Can you
issues.
hear me?
Okay.
You can hear me?
Yes.
Okay. Your name, Alexander Montalvo?
Correct.
Okay.
All right. Mr. Montalvo,
Yes, sir.
my name is Mario Trevino, and I'm the municipal court judge for the city of Balcones Heights. And you're scheduled today for a hearing on two citations that I believe were issued to you back in March. One is expired registration, sorry. The other one is failed to display driver's license on demand. Have you corrected the expired registration issue with your automobile?
Yes, I did.
All right. And do you have your receipt with you on that?
I actually ended up having to sell the car.
Oh, okay.
To pay for
So you
school.
corrected it by selling the car.
Unfortunately, yes.
All right. Well, that's one way to do it. I don't have a problem with it. What I can do is I can lower your fine down to $125 upon a plea of no contest, and I can give you time to pay it, 30, 60, 90 days, whichever one you need to pay it. How much time do you need?
90 days, if
All
that's
right.
possible.
Yeah, but it'll be $125 plus $15 in administrative fees if you take more than 30 days to pay. Okay, so if you pay within 30, it's $125. If you pay after 30 and you take the entire 90, then it'll be, I guess, $140. And
Okay.
all right, so I'll accept your plea of no contest and give you 90 days to pay with $125 fine. Tell me about your driver's license. Why were you just not carrying one, or you did not have one?
That night, I wasn't carrying one. A friend had an emergency, and I left the house without it.
All right, do you have one that was in effect on that date?
Yes, I do.
All right, if you would email us a copy, let me give
Okay.
you the email. It's a court, COURT, at,
Let me...
would you like me to start again?
Yes, please. I'm sorry.
Okay,
Go ahead.
no problem. You got a pen?
Yes, sir.
All right, it's court, which is COURT at bhtx.gov, G-O-V.
Okay.
And send us a copy of that, and it'll be $10 for that one. And
Would it
normally I
have to
give
be a
two
PDF, or is a picture okay?
picture's fine.
Okay.
And I grant 2 weeks to pay those $10.
Okay.
All right, and now I will turn you over to the clerk of the court for more detailed instruction.
Okay. Thank you so
Take
much.
care. You're
You
welcome.
as well.
Okay, Mr. Montalvo. So I'm going to have you speak with Ms. Baez, and she's gonna go into more detail about sending out your information, your driver's license and such. And we'll go ahead and take it from there, okay?
Okay. Thank you so much.
No problem. And I have one more judge. Do you want me to send them to Spencer? I'm just gonna send them straight over. Oh. Okay, like. Hello, Miss Gonzalez. Oh, she hasn't come out yet. Hello, Miss Gonzalez.
Hi,
I am so sorry about that delay.
it's okay.
See here, I'm looking up at your case right now.
hmm
July is your birthday? I'm not gonna say the whole thing, just July?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what I'm gonna do, Ms. Gonzalez, I'm actually gonna have you speak to the prosecutor in regards to these. I'm gonna cue him, but he's already there. He's
Okay.
just waiting for the individual. So let me, hold on, just bear with me because I'm gonna send him your cases so he knows what we're talking about.
Okay.
Okay, Ms. Gonzalez, I'm gonna send you to our prosecutor, Mr. Neely, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Hello, sir. Hello, your name? Oh, hello. Hello, sir, your name?
I can't hear nothing. There's no audio.
You can't hear?
No, I can't hear nothing.
Wow. Okay, let's see what's going on here.
The audio is on.
Can you hear me now? No? Huh. Can you hear me, sir? No? No?
Oh,
Can you hear me now?
yes, something changed. The
Okay.
little thing with
Your name, sir?
Jason Escobedo.
Okay, Mr. Escobedo, give me one moment while I look up your case, okay? Thank you for being so patient with us.
No problem.
Okay, Judge. Lista.
Sure. Mr. Escobedo, can you hear me?
Yes, Your Honor.
Let's see. Can you hear me, Mr. Escobedo?
Yes, I can.
Okay, let's see. I can't hear you, so I wonder what I did wrong.
I can hear you.
I did turn on my phone, but it's the I think the speaker that's not on, right?
Can you hear me yet?
Yeah, I can hear you. I'm just trying to see if I can turn on the speaker in my phone. Chat, meeting settings, meeting, raise hand, disconnect audio. No. Okay, well, let's try it this way anyway. You have 2 citations, expired registration, and failed to maintain financial responsibility, which is basically no insurance. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay. The expired registration, did you register your vehicle?
Yes, I did the next day.
Okay, and you have proof of that?
Yes, I have proof, but I think it was 2 weeks later, that truck was actually stolen from me.
So then you can't prove that you did it? I mean, you can either go back and get a copy of your receipt or,
Yeah.
because you need to show some type of proof.
Okay. I have to show it like right now?
Excuse me?
I have to show it right now?
No, I'll reset you.
Okay, but yeah, I definitely have proof and I have insurance now.
No. I'm talking about the registration.
Yes, I registered that vehicle the next day.
Yeah, but you don't have any proof of that.
I mean, I can get I think a receipt, or I can get I can probably ask them to give me a copy of it.
That's what we need. I'll give you a month to do that.
Okay.
And the no insurance, were you insured back on the 9th of March?
I honestly, I don't remember. I don't think so, because I remember getting new insurance.
All right. What I can do is I can put you on probation for that. I can reduce your fine down to $279. If you
Okay.
pay your money, if you keep your insurance and don't get another ticket, it'll be dismissed. And I give time to pay that. I give it 90 or 120 days to pay. How
Okay.
much time do you think you need?
If you could do 90, that'd be great, Your Honor.
Okay. Then it'll be on a plea of no contest. I will put you on deferred disposition probation for a period of 90 days. You're to pay $279 within that 90-day period and keep your insurance and not get any more tickets here in the city, okay?
Okay. All right, Your Honor.
And the registration I reset for a month for you to get proof that you registered the vehicle. If you're
Okay.
unable to do that, I will lower your fine to $125 and I will give you 60 days to pay that.
That sounds great, Your Honor. Can I just send that in to you, or do we have to wait for the next court date?
You can just, if you want to do that, you can just do it now.
Okay, that sounds great.
All right, then I find you guilty and I give you 60 days to pay the 125 on the expired registration.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
All right, let me pass you over to the clerk of the court, Ms. Cericelos.
Okay, Mr. Escobedo, so I'm going to go ahead and have you speak to Ms. Valles. I'm updating your case right now, and she'll be able to go into detail as to how to send that paperwork in for the
Okay.
registration if you get it, or how to send your paperwork that we just created today, okay?
Okay.
Thank you.
Awesome. So I changed my address. Can we do that?
Yes, are you definitely going to do it with her though? Because this is being recorded. We don't want to give your private information away.
Okay.
Give me one moment.
Hello?
Can you hear me, Mr. Perez?
Yes, I can.
Okay, perfect. Give me one moment. Let me look up your case, okay?
Thank you.
Mr. Perez, it was for an expired registration and driving while license invalid?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so let me go ahead and have you speak to the prosecutor, and he'll be
Okay.
able to go ahead and discuss your case with you, okay?
Thank you.
No problem. You have a good day.
You as well.
Thank you. Okay, just, do you want me to? There's two people. Do you want me to go with the young lady here, or do you want me to? It's still, we have 5 till 2. This is going to be a warrant, 2 o'clock. Warrant. Do one more, please. Hello.
Hello,
Your name?
Albert Murillo.
Okay, Mr. Murillo, let me update your name here and let me look up your case, okay?
Okay.
Right.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Murillo, can you hear me?
Sir.
My name is Mario Trevino, and I am the municipal court judge for the city of Balcones Heights. And our records show you were given a traffic ticket for no driver's license back in February 24th of this year. Is that
Yes,
correct?
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. And tell me, did you have a driver's license back then?
No, not back then, but I am taking my courses already. I believe I only have 2 more hours for the course, and I get to take the driver's test.
Okay. And how old are you, Mr. Murillo?
I'm 19.
19. Do you go to school?
No, sir.
Okay. Are you working?
Yes, sir, I am.
Okay. Well, what we can do is I can place you, are you working full-time?
Yeah, full time.
Okay. I can place you on deferred disposition probation for your no driver's license, so I won't go on your record. I'll reduce it down to 186, and I will give you 90 days to pay. Primarily, I give you that much time because I think it's going to take you a while to get your driver's license. And not only will you have to pay your fine, you're also going to have to give us a copy, send us a copy of your driver's license to get this ticket dismissed, okay?
Okay.
All right, so then I accept your plea of no contest, and I place you on probation for 90 days. You're going to pay $186. You're also going to send us a copy of your driver's license, which you're going to have to get within that 90-day period, okay?
Okay.
Any questions at all?
No, sir. So I got one question. So as I'm on probation for 90 days, right?
Right.
And after the 90 days, I have to have my driver's license. I send you a copy, and I have to pay the 180
Within the 90 days.
within the 90 days.
Yes.
Okay.
Will that work?
That's it.
Okay.
Is there a way that I could pay like right now and for me not to be on probation?
Well, the thing is that I want you to get your driver's license.
Yeah, but like I said, I'm taking my courses already. I already paid for the courses. I just need 2 more hours to finish the course, and then I'll be able to go take my driver's test. And then from there,
What I'll
be able
do
to get my
then,
driver's license.
as soon as you pay your money and as soon as you send us proof of your driver's license, I'll suspend your probation. Okay? So if you can get all that done within a week, then it's only 1 week of probation. If it takes you 2 weeks, then you're on probation for 2 weeks.
Okay.
Okay, in other words, I'll terminate it early, so you don't have
Okay.
to wait all 90 days. As soon as you comply with those 2 conditions, we'll dismiss your case.
Okay. And when I do get my driver's license, I send you a copy of it. Where do I send it to?
You send it to court, COURT, at,
Uh,
got a pen?
no, I'm actually getting one right now.
All right.
Okay, it's court.
It's COURT
Okay.
at BHTX.gov.
.gov. Okay, sir.
Got it?
Yes, sir, I got it.
All right. I'll turn you over to the clerk of the court.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, sir. So I'm going to have you speak to Ms. Baez right now. And she's going to go ahead and get some information from you, as well as if you have any additional questions, you can go ahead and refer that to her, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Last one, Judge. Number ending 416. Can you unmute? Hello?
Hello,
Hello, your name?
Robert Merlot.
Okay, Mr. Merlot, give me one moment while I look up your case, okay?
Okay.
There you go.
Let's see. Mr. Merlo, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. My name is Mario Trevino, and I am the municipal court judge for the city of Balcones Heights. And our records show that you were given 2 citations, one for expired registration, the other one for failed to display driver's license on demand. Do you have a Texas driver's license, Mr. Merlo?
Right now I just have my learner's permit, but I didn't have it on me at the time, so I wasn't able to show it to the officer.
Okay. But it was in effect back then? Did you have
I'm
your
sorry, what was that?
on the 12th of March?
Yes.
All right. Send us a copy of that. Let me give you the email address. You ready?
Let me get a pen.
Okay.
But Dad, you got a pen? Okay, what was the email address?
It's a court, COURT, at BHTX.gov. G-O-V, yeah, .gov. And send us a copy of that, and it'll be $10. And I'll give you 2 weeks to pay that.
Okay, I'm sorry. It was court at BHT.com?
No, BHTX.
Oh, BHTX.
Dot.
Gov. Okay.
Yeah. And I'll give you 2 weeks to pay $10 because that's what it's going to cost you. It's a compliance dismissal.
Okay.
And then comes your expired registration. Tell me about that.
That I haven't really got around to doing because my car, it's been giving me problems. Right now, it's broken down right now. Like, it's not even moving. So when he did pull me over that day, I had barely even got it to run, and it was just bad timing, you know?
Yeah, I understand. What I can do is on a plea of no contest, I can reduce your fine down to $125. And give you, how much time do you think you need to pay that?
I mean, I guess I can do the 2 weeks.
Are you sure? I can give you more if you want.
How long do you think you can give me?
I can give you a month or 2 months.
Yeah, I think I'll take a month.
All right. Find you guilty of expired. I mean, I accept your plea of no contest. Find you guilty. It's $125. I give you 2 months to pay. They'll add $15 to that as an administrative fee if you take more than 30 days to pay. Okay.
Okay.
So you just go over it again. You're going to be sending in a copy of your driver's license and $10 for the failure to display your driver's license. The expired registration, I reduced your fine to $125, and I gave you 2 months to pay. But there will be a fee of $15 added to the $125 if you take more than 30 days to pay.
Alrighty.
Okay, now I'll pass you over to the clerk of the court for further instructions. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, Mr. Merlo, so I'm gonna have you speak to Ms. Yvonne Baez, and she's gonna get some information from you in regards to your address and such. And just bear with me, okay?
Alrighty.
Thank you so much. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Go ahead and join Mr. Merlo.
Hello?
Yes, sir. Can you go ahead and join?
I'm sorry, what was that?
Can you go ahead and join? I sent you like a little, it's like a little message that popped up so you can go to the next room with Ms. Baez.
Okay, let me go look for that. You sent it to my email address?
No, sir. It should have popped up like a little message on it, Mil.
I don't know. I haven't got anything.
Okay, hon, give me 1 second. Let me go ahead and look, okay?
Okay.
Mr. Merlo?
Yes.
Hello. Can you please call Ms. Bias directly? You let me know when you're ready. I can give you the direct number to her.
Okay. Okay, I'm ready.
It's 210 957.
210 957?
Yes, sir. 3063.
3063.
Yes, sir. Go ahead and give her a
Okay.
call. She'll be expecting your call, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir. Okay. Your name, ma'am? Come on up, Ms. Garcia. All arrested.
Pending arrest warrant. Failure to display a driver's license. Speeding. Failure to appear. I guess, oh, I guess you don't have a driver's license, right? Okay. And so that's why you're not able to display it. You haven't got it. Well, but you must have insurance because it didn't touch you. So what do you want me to do? Just lower your fines and give you a payment plan of some sort?
Yeah, if I can get the payment lowered, or I don't know if there's some type of service, or if there's something I can do. Right now, I don't have any funds coming in, but I will be able to pay something off in my savings, but yeah, I just don't have any funds coming in, so I don't know.
How old are you?
25.
Well, the first thing you can do is just stop driving.
I know, and yeah, and that's something I want to do. Like, I want to get back on the road. Like, I'm trying, like work-wise, like, it's hard for me to get work if I have to drive. Like, I can't, you know, because I don't have a license. And then also, like, I'm trying to get my real estate license, and I think that might be in the way. I'm not too sure because I'm going to get close. Yeah, I'm getting close to my state exam, and I just really need to get all of it.
Yeah, I mean, as a realtor, you're gonna do a lot of driving.
You know, yeah, I know, and it's just, I'm already at the point where, like, you know, and I just need to get this situated, and myself, I've been procrastinating on it. Obviously, it's gotten to that,
Yeah,
you know,
there are warrants.
yeah, it's warrants and stuff like that, so it's just.
If you live at home?
I live at home.
And you're in real estate school now?
Yes, I go to campus, I also,
And no other form of, do you have a job?
no, I don't have a job right now, because I'm a stay-at-home mother, but my fiance, he does work out of town, so I know it's not bad, but he's gonna help me with my payments and stuff. Yeah, he's down in town for about 3 months, so I'm just home all day with, my daughter, and, stuff like that, but I don't know if there's some way, because I know, like, I have to pay my rent. I don't know if there's some way I can do community service and also help with payment, because I know it's over 1,000 something, and I just know I don't have that much want to again a ticket like that, but I do understand that it is my fault that I was driving without a license. And it's because I've been having really, like, I've just been having a hard time getting my license, and I really don't. I haven't had a license in a good while. I'm not quiet about that. I haven't had a license in a good while. I had a speeding ticket a while back, and I went to the DMV to get my license back, and I had to pay, not the DMV, but I think it was like another place just to get my license. When I did that, like, I don't know where I went off on there, but like from there I had called them, so I was just like, okay, I don't know what to do, and I just didn't get my license. So from there, like I said, like I was procrastinating from there, and now it's just getting so bad, and I just need to get it all situated.
All right. Well, you can make payments